Alright guys, just want to do this quick video. I'm not going to do a video on the master cylinder or bleeding. You take the two bolts out, disconnect the lines, it should come right out. So, question to you is, why do you think this vehicle is parked? Let me know in the comments. Here are the facts. Dent there. No brake fluid. All four tires were locked. And the brake switch is disconnected. So if you got any ideas, any theories, I have one of my own. Let me know in the comments. Alright guys, take it easy. Peace.